Thinking about joining the ClickFunnels affiliate program? In this video, I'll give you an honest review of the program, breaking down the biggest pros and cons so you can decide if it's the right fit for your affiliate marketing journey. Let's start with the pros. Pro number 1: recurring commission. One of the best things about ClickFunnels is its recurring commission structure. When someone signs up for a paid plan through your link, you continue earning every month they remain a customer. It's true passive income. Pro number 2: high ticket potential. Well, ClickFunnels doesn't just pay on monthly plans. You can also promote their high-ticket offers, like courses, books, and coaching programs, which can earn you $100 to $1,000 plus per sale. Pro number 3: trusted brand and proven product. ClickFunnels is a well-known, proven platform used by over 100,000 entrepreneurs. That makes it easier to promote, because it already has market credibility. Pro number 4: affiliate tools and resources. You get access to ready-made banners, email swipes, training, and even affiliate bootcamp courses to help you get started fast. Pro number 5: no need to own the product. You can promote ClickFunnels and earn commissions even if you're not a paid user. That's a huge plus for beginners with limited budgets. Now, let's talk about the cons. Con number 1: competitive niche. ClickFunnels is a popular affiliate program, so there's a lot of competition. To stand out, you'll need to niche down, offer bonuses, or create unique content around the product. Con number 2: payout threshold. ClickFunnels only pays out once you reach a minimum payout threshold. This may delay your first commissions if you're just starting out. Con number 3: no longer 40% for everyone. In the past, all affiliates earned 40%. Now, new affiliates start at 30%, and you have to qualify to get upgraded to 40%. This means you'll need consistent performance to maximize your earnings. Con number 4: you need to build funnels to sell funnels. While this can be a strength, it also means that if you don't understand how to build funnels yourself, it may be hard to explain the benefits to others. So, is the ClickFunnels affiliate program worth it? Yes, absolutely. If you're willing to put in the work, create value-driven content, and help people understand why ClickFunnels solves their business problems. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. But if you stay consistent, it can become a reliable, long-term income stream. Right finger, want to start promoting today? Check the video description for a free ClickFunnels trial and my bonus affiliate starter kit to help you succeed faster. Right finger, and don't forget to subscribe for weekly tutorials, honest reviews, and affiliate marketing strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.